everyone, welcome to Blessed and Beautiful. My name is Renee, and so glad to have you all here with me today. I don't think this is going to be a long video because I just wanted to talk about a couple of things. We'll see how it goes, but first we are here to talk about some updates to my purse collection. My closet is open. I don't want y'all to see all my stuff. Hold on one moment. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so first of all, I have an update to the collection. And I want to show you, I want to show you that product right here. And maybe up here I'll show you when I actually unboxed it. Excuse me, when I actually unboxed the purse. But here she is. Y'all, isn't she cute? Look at that. I love this shape right here. It is just so fluid. See how there's no harsh lines? It just kind of, ooh, I love that. The curves. Yeah, the only problem with that is it's in my hands, so it'll stand up, but my hand's making it stand up basically. But do you see this angle? Yeah, you put this on a flat table, that's what you're gonna get. So it's cute, but it's not practical. So now I have to make sure that my bag is leaning back or on me, or else it just won't stay up. Now the good thing is nothing's gonna fall out. We'll get to that in a minute. So let's look at everything all the way around real quick, because I'm showing a little video up here somewhere of me unboxing it. And then here's the strap right here, and this strap is made to stay on, so there won't be cutting off of this one. But so this one is a shoulder strap. I think this is unique the way they did this, and it's regular snaps. It's not these big circle ones. It's the little, like those ones like that, right? Okay, so basically if you want the shoulder strap, you would do it like this, okay? Then you unsnap and unsnap both sides. You pull, and then you snap it at the top where the snaps meet, right? And then ta-da! Crossbody style, yes! All right, now if you're shorter than me, as I always say, this is at the top of my hip. So what I did notice is that if you decide not to snap it, that gives you like another few inches, right? So you can pull it all the way like that. Yeah, it's at the bottom of my hip now, so that gave me about 2 to 3 more inches. So if you need the strap to be longer, you can do that, right? This one is much easier than the other purse. You push it back here to snap here, or you pull it all the way back around to snap here. Now it can't go any smaller, so what I would suggest is, hold on, I was going to say to take another bag, right, and to put, you know, to put it on here, but y'all, they didn't leave any space for that. I could possibly put it here, but I don't want to damage these things right here. So what you may need to do is get some adapters. I have seen some adapters where it goes around your bag and then you can attach a little strap to it, and that would give you a shorter strap if you so desire, so that you can just carry it like this. But this purse, they said no, you are only going to use our strap and that's it. So they don't leave room for anything to be added. They're like, we don't care if it's your bag and you want to wear it the way you want. You're not adding any straps to this bag, and you're not taking this one off. You can cut it off, but you know. Alright, so that's the bag. Okay, so what I did was I was practicing. If you remember the other day, if you saw my video where I ranked all of my Amazon bags, okay? This bag was one of my top bags because I love this part of the bag. I do not, however, like the strap, okay? The strap is kind of like plasticky or something, and I just don't like it. And it's one of the ones that has this little stud thing here where you would take this off, right? And then you would adjust it up or down to make it shorter, longer, whatever it is that you would like to do. So, you know, that kind of thing. But what they didn't realize is that now that you've done that, you got this piece flapping in the wind. So I'm doing this in the name of I really like this part of the bag. That's what I'm doing. So I did practice. I am able to put another strap on here. And we have one that came in the mail. Okay, so we'll get to that in a minute. So we're going to take this off. This is old. This is from another bag. And it needs to be washed because it's white. And I'm telling you, with the bag, you can't keep a white strap clean at all. Alright, so we already took this part off. So we're going to take that off like that. Alright, we're done with that. Okay, so now let's move Mr. Bear out the way so that he doesn't accidentally get, like, you know, his head cut off or something. Alright, so now we have just this part of the bag. Don't do this at home. I know this video is not made for children, I've already said that, but please don't try this at home unless you don't care about your bag. This is not a name brand bag. This is a nice, I think it's a dupe for maybe like a Coach or some other bag that I've seen with this strong indentation here to make this little piece part come out like that. Okay. All right, so we do have rings, but they're not D-rings. We're going to try this without D-rings. We'll see what happens. What's going to really make me upset is if this is the top of the ring where you clip it, then we have to look at that. I'm praying that they put that here and not up here. You'll see what I mean in a moment. There's no going back after this. Let me show you the bag first. Alright, just in case you weren't here, why I love this parted bag and why this is necessary. You take this off. It's a magnetic little flip thingy. Right? It even has a zipper so that, you know, your contents don't, you know, sometimes they just, where is the zipper? All right, here it is. Sometimes the contents just magically just find their way to that little bit of space, right? And come out, or, you know, you drop your bag, or in the car when you make that turn and the bag slides over and does like this, and now all of your lip glosses are under the seat. Yeah. So this is the zipper that's here for that, okay? Inside of the bag is a nice lining, and I don't think I've even, yeah, no stains yet. No, that's pretty good. I thought that was a stain, but it's just a fold. Okay, so no stains, and there is a zipper pocket right there, okay? Love this. Love the shape of it. Okay, let's stop procrastinating. Just cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I don't even know. I've never even heard that song. I just heard people saying you need to cut it. That's all. Yeah. All right. So let's see. There's no going back. There's no going. Let me move up close. See, I cut it. There's no going back. They messed it up, y'all. They messed it up. They put this part at the top. No. This is supposed to be under the bottom where nobody can see it. Okay, you know what? It's close. Like really, really close. So maybe it won't matter. Okay, let's just keep going because there's no coming back after that. All right, so we're going to cut this piece off right here. Cut, 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 cut. Don't try this at home. This is not a Coach bag. Don't get your you know, your Louis Vuitton and go, you know what? Renee, nah. I told you. Don't try this at home. Okay, so now we're going to take this lovely strap that I got from ZOEASSS. Okay. And, yeah, it's a Silvery buckle wide shoulder strap. It's 1.4 inches wide and it's 49 inches long, and it's in the color 30, which is whatever this is, okay? All right, so we're going to take this part off, and I hope is not on my strap because I don't want people to have to look at that every time I'm walking around with this bag that I really, really like. Like, I wouldn't be able to take it to church because people would be like, does your bag say? And I'd be like, I didn't put it there. Okay, it says, see you, love. I see you, love. Love, I see you. I see you. I don't know why I isn't there. Maybe it is just one of those words that's, you know, it's there. It's like, it's a given. It's there. All right, I made sure I got metal to match, so I got silver buckles. They did have it in both. This was $9.99 on Amazon, and it was 2-day shipping. Okay, this is printed on one side and then red on the other, and I tried to make sure I got a red that matched. Not bad. Okay, so now we're going to take this and we're just going to clip it on. Now, it is not a D-ring, which means it is not shaped like a D. So Mom and I were talking and wondering, is that going to make a difference in carrying this bag? Why is this part at the top? Oh, maybe people won't see it. I'm not going to have that much in here, so there we go. That's pretty good. Pretty good. So when I'm carrying this, I love it. Yes, I like this so much more. So when I'm carrying this I can carry it like a shoulder bag, and we can pull it all the way like this. Make it super short. That's nice. And if you're shorter than me, this fits even better. You can walk, and you know how people used to hold their bags like this. But let's crossbody style it. Crossbody style. Here we go. We're going to take the strap, pull it all the way around. I don't think I need it that far, but let's just see for you. Oh yeah, look at how it's all the way down by my knees. My goodness. No, we don't need it that much. Okay, I love this. This swivels. It just swivels and swivels. So we're going to swivel it around so that we can pull this. Now, one of the things I'm hoping is that this isn't one of those purses where it just slides on its own, and then I get home and realize that it has slid all the way down by itself. Then you got to put like a safety pin there to make sure it doesn't go past the part that you were on. So here we go. Crossbody style. Let me pull it. It's feeling pretty good. It's not adjusting on its own. Y'all, I think this came out pretty good. I love it. I love the bag. I love the strap, and you know what? When I'm ready to change out and use something else, just find another strap that has like a nice, I don't have a lot with the silver, but you know, silver with something that, you know, goes with or contrast. I'll keep you updated. I think this turned out so good. And for me getting this all just for a review, I think I got such a nice bag. I will put around here if it's still available and how much it is. I'm not sure. I think it's not available anymore, but that's not the purpose of this bag. The purpose is to show you, if you get a bag that you don't like the strap, and you know what, they tried to make it where this is the only strap that you could use, you know what, y'all, is just phony. We're just gonna cut it off and add a new one. All right, okay, that's it. Told you it was gonna be short. All right, everybody, bye. Oh, I forgot. Wait. You know what we say around here, whether it's day or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, I hope that is good. Don't forget to pray because we really need it. And then don't forget to slay, honey. Slay in your nice crossbody style bag with your nice new strap because you cut the other one off. Okay? All right, everybody. Bye. I usually try to do this all in one take so that I don't have to take 2 videos and put them together, but we forgot Mr. Bear. We have to go back and put Mr. Bear back on. Now, Mr. Bear is gold and everything else is silver. But you know what? We don't care. Nobody said we couldn't mix the metals. Okay, Mr. Bear, here we go. Mr. Bear is on again. All right, so we got Mr. Bear. We got our nice little pull here just in case, for example, we need to pull it for whatever reason. I don't know. And then we have this. Yeah, we are good. Let's think back. Let's admire it. Whew. It don't go with this pink shirt, but you know what? I can see it going with something red that I have. All right, me and Mr. Bear, we gonna be styling and profiling. Nobody says that anymore, but we gonna be slaying. All right, so ladies, bye. Bye.